Every few years, a single smartphone announcement fundamentally changes the trajectory of the entire consumer technology industry, setting new standards that competitors will spend the next decade trying to match. Right now, behind closed doors in Cupertino, Apple is developing what internal sources describe as the most ambitious, radical redesign of the flagship iPhone since the introduction of the iPhone X. The upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max is not merely an incremental performance bump or a minor camera refine. It represents a complete paradigm shift in mobile processing power, display integration, and artificial intelligence integration. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Today, we are opening the vault on every credible supply chain leak, insider CAD rendering, and patents report regarding the iPhone 18 Pro Max to explore exactly why this device is poised to make every current smartphone look instantly obsolete. To understand why the iPhone 18 Pro Max is generating an unprecedented level of anticipation across Silicon Valley and global supply chains, you have to look directly at what is happening inside the fabrication facilities of TSMC. For the first time in smartphone history, Apple is slated to debut the world's first commercial 2nm semiconductor architecture with the all-new A20 Pro Chip. While previous generational leaps focused on incremental efficiency gains, the jump to a 2nm process node introduces gate-all-around nanosheet transistor architecture. What this means in real-world performance is a staggering 30% boost in computational speed paired with a 40% reduction in thermal output and power consumption. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature a processor so densely packed with billions of microtransistors that heavy mobile video editing, complex 3D ray tracing, and intensive desktop-class applications will execute with virtually zero heat buildup or thermal throttling. Powering this incredible hardware leap is an entirely re-engineered thermal management system designed specifically to sustain peak performance for hours on end. Apple is finally addressing the high-load thermal boundaries of previous generations by incorporating a custom vapor chamber cooling system constructed from aerospace-grade copper matrix alloys. This internal liquid vapor heat sink works in tandem with a graphite laminated rear chassis, pulling heat away from the A20 Pro chip and distributing it evenly across the frame. Whether you are rendering 8K video timelines on the go or running full graphics-heavy AAA titles at maximum frame rates, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will maintain buttery smooth performance without dimming the screen or dropping frame rates due to excess heat. However, computational power is only half of the story because the display technology on the iPhone 18 Pro Max represents a massive aesthetic and functional evolution. For years, users have waited for a truly unbroken, edge-to-edge glass screen that completely eliminates punch-hole cutouts and floating islands. According to recent supply chain reports from display manufacturing partners, Apple is introducing under-display Face ID technology on the iPhone 18 Pro Max. By burying the complex infrared dot projector, flood illuminator, and depth sensors beneath the active OLED pixels, the front display achieves a vastly higher screen-to-body ratio. The camera optics and Face ID sensors remain invisible during normal media consumption and web browsing, lighting up only when biometric authentication or selfie capture is required, giving you an uninterrupted portal of pure visuals. The display panel itself is receiving a major upgrade to a third-generation LTPO OLED architecture capable of variable refresh rates ranging from an ultra-smooth 120 Hz down to a hyper-efficient single Hz for always-on display modes. Peak brightness capabilities on the iPhone 18 Pro Max are rumored to reach an astonishing 3,500 nits outdoors, rendering HDR content with lifelike realism and ensuring full-screen visibility even under direct, harsh sunlight. Additionally, a new microscopic anti-reflective coating embedded directly into the ceramic shield glass dramatically reduces glare and reflection artifacts, producing deeper visual depth and vivid colors regardless of ambient lighting conditions. And you flip the iPhone 18 Pro Max over, You will immediately notice a refined physical design language that elevates durability while drastically improving ergonomic comfort. Supply chain leaks confirm that Apple is utilizing a second-generation sintered titanium alloy frame that is both lighter and significantly stronger than previous iterations. The harsh, sharp edges of earlier designs have been replaced with subtly curved back glass contours that melt seamlessly into the titanium perimeter rail. This structural refinement not only makes the massive screen footprint feel far more manageable and comfortable in one-handed use, but it also improves impact resistance during accidental drops on hard surfaces. Photographers and videographers have the most to look forward to as the rear camera system on the iPhone 18 Pro Max undergoes its most profound overhaul to date. Apple is introducing a revolutionary main sensor featuring a mechanical, variable physical aperture system. Rather than relying purely on software algorithms to simulate background blur, the primary camera on the iPhone 18 Pro Max will physically open and close its mechanical iris blades between wide apertures like f/1.4 for natural optical bokeh and low light gathering, and narrower apertures like f/4.0 for tack-sharp landscape shots, where every detail across the frame needs to remain in focus. This hardware-level control grants creators true cinematic versatility right out of your pocket. Complementing the variable aperture main sensor is a next-generation tetraprism telephoto lens system capable of delivering 10 times true optical zoom and up to 100 times hybrid computational zoom. By utilizing enhanced multi-reflective prism glass with electro-actuated optical image stabilization that adjusts up to 10,000 microcorrections per second, the iPhone 18 Pro Max captures crisp, blur-free telephoto shots, even at extreme focal lengths. Distant subjects, architectural details, and sports action can be captured with crisp clarity, rivaling standalone, dedicated mirrorless camera setups equipped with heavy telephoto glass. The ultra-wide sensor on the iPhone 18 Pro Max also sees a massive upgrade with a high-resolution 48-megapixel sensor equipped with pixel binning technology and enhanced macro capabilities. Low-light, ultra-wide photography, which historically suffered from noise and detail degradation in dark environments, now produces clean, shadow-rich images with high dynamic range. Furthermore, custom anti-reflective optical coatings applied to each individual lens element eliminate internal flare and ghosting, ensuring clean night shots even when shooting directly toward bright urban light sources.